Congratulations, Dr. Radi Apostol, for the only holistic cosmetic surgeon in the Philippines. Doc Radi, can I get po your reaction for the award and also being the fan of the Farm and Benito for the Asia Best Brand Excellent Award? Kumbaga, dalawa po yung award nyo ngayon.
Actually, yung award na yan is so overwhelming. I think that Richard Yola had found the kind of kasi because of the charity, I'm also into charities na nakaka-touch naman, changing lives of a lot of patients, and they can already have their treatments, affordable treatments because of the donations, these organizations. So, nakaka-touch naman ang project ng BEST na.
The noble intention for the cause of this awarding.
I'm so proud to be part of the awarding banner, the BEST magazine, because of that charity and yung project niya, yung goal ng organization.
Thank you so much, Dr. Radi Apostol, and again, congratulations.